Let's be real for a second. Samsung didn't need to reinvent the wheel with the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, but did they do enough to actually earn your money? The original Ultra already set a high bar with its rugged titanium build, military-grade durability, and serious health chops. So when leaks and early details started pouring out ahead of Galaxy Unpacked in late July 2026, the question wasn't, is this a real upgrade? It was, is this the right upgrade for you? Today, we're breaking down everything we know so far, and by the end, you'll have a clear answer. But first, the battery situation alone might just change your mind entirely. On the surface, the Ultra 2 looks like its predecessor wearing a better suit. Same iconic titanium chassis, same rugged DNA, but look closer and the details start to matter. Leaked images suggest Samsung has trimmed down the bezels significantly, giving you more screen real estate without touching the overall footprint. There are also engraved hour markings around the bezel edge now, which honestly gives it a cleaner, almost tool watch feel that the original never quite nailed. The orange quick button is still present, though it's been toned down slightly. Less "look at me," more "I'm here when you need me." Samsung is also refreshing the band lineup while keeping backward compatibility, so your existing Ultra straps won't be useless paperweights. Here's where things get genuinely exciting. The original Galaxy Watch Ultra shipped with a 590 mAh battery. Decent, not jaw-dropping. The Ultra 2 is reportedly coming in close to 800 mAh, and that's not a small bump. Pair that with the new Snapdragon Elite chip under the hood, which brings both better performance and stronger efficiency, and you're looking at a watch that could comfortably push past 3 days of real-world use. For heavy users who've been babying their charge cycles and turning off features just to survive the day, this alone could be the deciding factor. Apps should also feel noticeably snappier, and day-to-day responsiveness is expected to see a meaningful jump. Samsung is launching the Ultra 2 with One UI 9 Watch on top of Wear OS, and while the interface isn't getting a dramatic overhaul, the refinements are real. Expect fresher watch faces, smoother animations, and deeper Galaxy AI integration baked into Samsung Health. The focus seems to be on smarter, more contextual health recommendations, the kind that feel personalized rather than generic. Heart rate accuracy is reportedly improved, sleep tracking gets a smarter engine, and AI-driven insights across the board are expected to feel less like data dumps and more like actual coaching. One thing worth noting though, if you were holding out for non-invasive blood glucose monitoring, credible leaks still aren't pointing to that landing this year. That one's still a waiting game. This might be the most underrated development in the whole Ultra 2 story. The original Galaxy Watch Ultra was sold almost exclusively as an LTE model, which meant you were paying for cellular connectivity whether you wanted it or not. According to leaks, Samsung is finally planning to offer both Bluetooth-only and LTE variants across several markets. That's a bigger deal than it sounds. It opens the door for buyers who want the Ultra experience without the Ultra price tag, and it positions the watch more competitively against alternatives that already offer that flexibility. Everything else the original was known for carries over too. Dual-frequency GPS, offline navigation, 10 ATM water resistance, and sapphire crystal glass. The DNA is intact. If you want a ground-up reinvention, this probably isn't your year. But if battery life, performance, and a more polished overall package are what you're after, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is looking like a genuinely worthwhile step up. The question is, are those upgrades enough to pull you away from whatever's on your wrist right now? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious where you're landing on this one. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. More leaks and breakdowns are coming your way.